Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upload your resume on Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do you know that I've already logged into my account? In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, this is the homepage. Right from here, you can search for the jobs. Let's not focus on that right now. Let's simply go to our profile. At the very top, here's your profile icon right here. Next to the notification bell, simply click on it. And this option will pop up. Well, there are many settings, but let's simply go to profile. Once you click on that button, this will be the profile page. Now here's my profile. Now I simply want to upload my resume. Right here, under the resume tab, there's a button like this called as upload resume. Let's click on it. And something like this will open up. Simply select the resume of your choice and hit on open. Well, as you can see, the resume is being uploaded. Once your resume is uploaded, it's gonna give you some options like this. No, don't use this PDF. If you click on it, it's gonna give you another few options like this as well. Convert to an Indeed resume or simply upload a different file. But for now, everything's okay, so I'm simply gonna click, yes, this looks right. Now, I'm not gonna do anything. I'm simply gonna hit on continue. And there you go. We have successfully uploaded our resume on Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.